Do you want to know which education loan is currently the cheapest in India? It's the SBI Abroad Education Loan at just 8.65% interest rate. Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the twist. Not every student automatically qualifies for this lowest rate. That's why in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how male and female students can secure this rate, what makes them eligible, and how you can smoothly get through the process without unnecessary hurdles. Hello everyone, this is Shatakshi and welcome back to AcadFly's YouTube channel. At AcadFly, we help students like you not only find the right scholarships and loan options, but also guide you step by step until your loan is approved and disbursed. Now, let's talk about why this SBI loan has become such a hot topic. Thanks to RBI's multiple repo rate cuts, SBI's interest rates are at their lowest ever. For overseas education, the rate starts at 8.65%, but the category under which you apply makes all the difference. Before we dive into eligibility, here's something important you must know. Many students hesitate to approach SBI because they've heard stories of delays and confusions at the branch level. While the product itself is excellent, the process can feel exhausting if you try to manage it alone. This is exactly where AcadFly steps in. We've made this entire loan journey much simpler. No more running to the branch 15 to 20 times like before. Most checks like your parents' income, your credit score, your loan eligibility can now be done online. Once you apply through us, you will be connected with a dedicated loan officer who will analyze your profile and guide you on everything. Repayment schedules, disbursement timelines, moratorium terms, and more. In fact, in metros and tier 1 cities, our relationship managers even coordinate directly with the branch and collect missing documents from your home. The best part is, all our services are completely free. Now, let's break down who can get the 8.65% interest rate. Female students applying for a secured loan qualify for 8.65% no matter what university they are admitted to. Male students applying for a secured loan, but only if they are admitted to a top 100 global university, also gets the 8.65% interest rate. For male students going to other universities, or for students both male and female applying to unsecured loans, the interest rate is 9.15%. This applies across undergraduate, postgraduate, and PhD programs. Another major advantage with SBI is for students headed to top 100 universities. Here, you can get up to 50 lakhs without collateral. And unlike private lenders, SBI doesn't heavily scrutinize your parents' income and its CIBIL requirement. It's also relatively flexible. The top 100 university list isn't limited to the US. It also covers the UK, Canada, Europe, Australia, and many other destinations. Let's do a quick comparison for this. And SBI loans 8.65% to 9.15%, whereas private banks or NBFCs in India 8.25% to 12.5%. Foreign banks 10% to 15%. When it comes to processing fees, SBI charges only around 1800 rupees, while private banks demand 1 to 1.5% of the loan amount, and foreign banks can go as high as 4 to 6%. Even the loan insurance cost with SBI is much lower. But the standout feature is this: SBI offers a zero payment moratorium. Unlike private and foreign lenders that force you to pay partial interest while you're still studying, SBI allows you to pay absolutely nothing during the moratorium period. No extra burden, no interest on interest trap. This feature alone makes a huge difference for students and their families. Now, let me talk about other practical benefits. These include loan sanction even before you get your I-20 for US aspirants, disbursement before visa, which is useful for Canada's GIC, Germany's blocked account, or tuition deposits in the UK. The challenges, however, is that many branch staff may not be aware of these features and might incorrectly say they're not possible. That's why going through AcadFly ensures your application is handled correctly and you do not face any hassle while the loan process. So if you're planning to apply for an SBI education loan, whether secured, unsecured, or under a special category, the smartest way is through AcadFly. Our services are for free and you can get complete end-to-end guidance. That's it for today's video. Now you can know how to actually grab the SBI education loan at 8.65% and what conditions apply. If you still have doubts, drop your questions in the comments or contact us directly through this number. We'd love to help you, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more updates on study abroad loans and opportunity. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.